Welcome to Talent Connected Worldwide, a CICC authorized immigration company.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Talent Connected Worldwide, your go-to source for everything about Canada immigration. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated with the latest news and tips on moving to Canada. Today, we are diving into one of the most discussed topics, which is when will the CRS score drop below 450 points? If you are aiming to get a Canada PR visa through the Express Entry pathway, the current trend of high CRS score might be troubling you. In this video, I will tell you exactly when the score will dip to less than 450 points. Why is the CRS score currently so high? If you see the latest draws, most have a CRS score cutoff above 500 points. However, if you look at the trend carefully, it is the CEC and PNP targeted draws that have higher CRS score requirement. Let us have a look at these draws. As you can see, all draws had a CRS score cutoff above 650 points. But this is normal for the PNP Express Entry draws. It is because if you are a provincial nominee, you will get an additional 600 points in the Comprehensive Ranking System or CRS. Thus, as a provincial nominee, you will automatically get a minimum score of 600 points. This is the reason all PNP Express Entry draws have a higher CRS score than 650 points. Now, let us take a look at the Canadian Experience Class or CEC specific draws. As you can see, all the CEC program draws have a CRS cutoff in the range of 500 or 530 points. This is because candidates for the CEC program tend to have a higher CRS score due to their Canadian work experience or an existing job in Canada. So, when will the CRS drop below 450 points? The answer to this question is category-based selection or category-based Express Entry draws. We have seen category-based draws for Francophone speakers, healthcare workers and other in-demand professions such as STEM, trade, transport and agriculture. The CRS score for these category-based draws have been significantly lower. While STEM and healthcare occupations have a higher CRS score, lower skilled occupations such as trade, transport and agri-food and agriculture have CRS scores mostly below 430 points. You can see this in the tables. Category-based Express Entry draws for Francophones in 2024. Category-based Experience Entry draws for agri-food and agriculture occupations in 2024. Category-based Express Entry draws for trade occupations in 2024. Category-based Express Entry draws for transport occupations. So, what's your plan? Are you hoping the score will drop or are you taking steps to improve your profile right now? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget, if you need personalized guidance to get a higher CRS score, Talent Connected Worldwide is here to help. Visit our website or give us a call to speak with one of our certified immigration consultants. Thank you for watching.